Hi, Alex. Is this seat free? I just got my lunch and the room is very full today. I was looking for a quiet place to sit.
Hi, Sophia. Yes, of course. Please, sit here. I was eating alone, so I am happy to have some company. Your lunch looks fresh and healthy today.
Thank you. I have a salad, some rice, and grilled chicken. It is simple, but I like light food at lunch because I still have a lot of work this afternoon.
That makes sense. I got pasta, soup, and a small piece of bread. I wanted something warm because the office feels a little cold today.
Your soup smells nice. Is it tomato soup? I usually like soup, but I do not enjoy every kind.
Yes, it is tomato soup. I like it because it is soft, warm, and easy to eat. What kind of food do you not like?
I really do not like olives. They look fine, but the taste is too strong for me. I try them sometimes, but I never enjoy them.
That is interesting. I actually like olives, especially in salads or on pizza. But I do not like blue cheese because the smell is too strong and the taste stays in my mouth too long.
Oh, I understand that. Blue cheese is very strong for me too. I also do not like liver. I know some people say it is healthy, but the taste and texture are not good to me.
I agree with you about liver. My father liked it a lot, so I ate it a few times when I was young. I tried to enjoy it, but I never could.
Did you have many foods you hated when you were a child? When I was little, I did not like onions, mushrooms, or beans. I was a very picky eater.
Yes, I was picky too. I did not like cooked carrots because they were too soft, and I hated beets because of the color and earthy taste. Now I can eat carrots, but I still avoid beets.
That is funny, because I like carrots very much now. I eat them in soup, salad, and even with rice. But mushrooms are still difficult for me because they feel strange in my mouth.
Texture is very important. Sometimes a food tastes fine, but the texture ruins everything. That is how I feel about oysters. They are too soft for me, and I cannot enjoy them.
I have never tried oysters, and I am not sure I want to. I am a little afraid of foods that look very soft or wet. I usually like food that is fresh, clean, and easy to understand.
That is a good way to say it. I think many people feel that way. I like simple food too, especially on work days when I do not want to think too much about lunch.
Yes, exactly. On busy days, I want food that gives me energy but does not make me sleepy. Heavy food is not good for me in the middle of the day.
Same here. If I eat a very big lunch, I feel slow in the afternoon. That is why I try to keep breakfast and lunch balanced, and then I enjoy a bigger dinner at home.
What do you usually eat for breakfast? I often eat yogurt, fruit, and a piece of toast. Sometimes I just drink coffee, but I know that is not the best habit.
I usually eat eggs, toast, and sometimes oatmeal. I also drink black coffee every morning. If I skip breakfast, I get hungry very early and I cannot focus at work.
I know that feeling. When I skip breakfast, I want snacks at 10 o'clock. Then I eat chips or cookies, and later I feel bad about it.
That happens to many people. I try to bring nuts or a banana with me so I have a better snack. Small habits can help a lot during a long workday.
That is smart. I want to eat better this month, so I am trying to plan my meals. I think meal planning helps me avoid food that I do not really want or need.
It definitely helps. On Sunday evening, I usually prepare some chicken, rice, and vegetables for a few days. It saves time, and it keeps me from ordering fast food.
Fast food is tasty, but I cannot eat it too often. Too much fried food makes me feel heavy. Also, I really do not like cold fries. They are one of the worst things for me.
I agree with that 100%. Fresh fries are great, but cold fries are terrible. Another food I do not like is mayonnaise on too many things because it feels too rich and oily.
Yes, too much mayonnaise can ruin a sandwich. I also do not like very sweet sauces on meat. When food is too sweet and too salty at the same time, I get confused.
I know what you mean. Balance is important in cooking. I like food when I can taste each part clearly, not when one sauce covers everything.
Do you like spicy food? I can eat a little spice, but not too much. If my mouth feels like fire, I cannot enjoy the meal anymore.
I like medium spice, but I do not want extreme spice either. I want flavor, not pain. Some people enjoy very hot food, but that is not for me.
Same here. My favorite meals are usually simple: grilled chicken, pasta, soup, fruit, and fresh bread. I think simple food can be very good when the ingredients are nice.
I feel the same way. Good ingredients make a big difference. A simple meal can be better than a fancy meal if it is fresh and made well.
This conversation is making me hungry again, even though I am still eating. It is funny how talking about food can do that. I think I want fruit after lunch today.
Fruit sounds like a great idea. I may get an apple before I go back upstairs. It is light, fresh, and much better than another cup of coffee.
I am glad we had lunch together today. It was nice to learn what foods you like and what foods you avoid. Now I know never to bring you blue cheese.
And now I know never to put olives on your pizza. This was a fun lunch break, Sophia. We should do this again sometime next week.
Yes, I would like that very much. Next time, we can talk about our favorite drinks or favorite desserts. That will be a sweet topic.
That sounds perfect. Let's finish lunch and get back to work before our break ends. I hope your afternoon goes smoothly.
Thank you, Alex. I hope your afternoon goes well too. See you later in the office.
See you later, Sophia. Enjoy your fruit and have a good rest of the day.